Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bitget or Bitget wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on Binance, you want to go on wallets in the right corner and click withdraw option. After that, you're going to click withdraw, and now you're going to search for USDT. And send via crypto network. You want to choose the first option. After that, you will need an address here. So you want to go ahead to Bitget. Now let's also see what networks Binance offers. It offers almost all of them. So let's go ahead now to Bitget. You can use Bitget wallet or Bitget. It doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go to my wallet. Now on Bitget wallet, you want to again go to wallet in the right corner and click receive option. After that, you will choose USDT. And now you need to select the network. As you can see, there is TRX, Smart Chain, Polygon, Toncoin, and Ethereum. Now, Ton network is suspended on Binance for now. So let's, for example, use TRX. Now, once you are here, you will see your address and you want to go ahead and copy and go back to Binance. On Binance, you're going to go ahead and paste the address here. And you're going to choose Tron network, just like so. Now, once you have entered the address and chose the network, all you need to do is click how much you want to withdraw and then click withdraw. As you can see, the network fee is 1 USDT on Tron network. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.